Hey Jichwa, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mission right here, and basically what this is a pet water bottle. So you can definitely use it to feed water to your pets, whether you guys are at home, in the office, or traveling, wherever you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. But the one that we got right here is from the brand called Petkit. And this is the Eversweet Travel S400. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. But let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So pretty much inside you guys get the water bottle right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely looks like a high quality product. And for these water bottles, it actually comes in many different colors. So they have it in blue, navy, and some other colors as well. So we got the blue one here, but also got it in two other colors as well. So if you can see right here, these are the two other colors that I have. So this one is a green, and this is navy color. So I'm actually opening both of these as well to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So this is basically what the green one looks like. If you can see, it definitely looks very nice. If you guys were to compare it to the blue one that we have right here, or the light blue one that we have right here. And then for the last one that we have right here is a navy color. So if we open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. And this is basically what the navy one looks like. You can definitely see the brand logo in the back on this one right here. Whereas the other two, you can not really see the name as obvious right here. But this is basically what all three of the ones that we have right here looks like, if you can see. So light blue, light green, or green color right here. And then we have the navy one right here. But for this test, I'm just going to use the light blue one to show you guys how to use it. So pretty much how the product works is that you guys want to fill water inside right here. And you guys want to turn this switch off or on. So when you guys lock it, none of the water will actually come out. But when you guys open it up, there's actually a hole right here where the water will come out. You can basically just hold the water bottle out and just let your pet drink water out of it, which is pretty cool. And on top right here, they do give you guys the option to use it as a wristband or wrist strap if you guys want to use that option. But I'm actually open up the product first to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so first thing inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And the inside, they do provide guys a little wrist strap right here. And right here, they provide guys the filter that you want to use to actually filter the water out to make sure it's clean before you guys use it. And obviously, if it's your first time using the product, you probably want to use the product and open it up to kind of like rinse it and wash the actual product before you guys actually feed the water to your pet. And the maximum capacity of the actual water bottle is 400 milliliter, which is about 14 ounce. So if that's enough for you guys, then that's fine. But if you guys need more, then you definitely purchase another one of these bottles so you guys have a backup one just in case. And for the product, it is BPA free, and they do use food grade material as well, which is pretty awesome. So that way it's actually safe for your pet to use it. And then for the product, they actually mentioned that it's leak proof as well if you guys seal up this part right here, and also if you guys lock up this part right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's actually test it out and show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the water bottle right here. So first thing I want to do is to take out the filter and soak it in water first to make sure it's clean. So I want to take out this filter right here. So you basically want to rinse the filter right here for 2 minutes. So you can definitely rinse it like this for 2 minutes if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to, just go like this. Just toss it inside right there and let it soak for 2 minutes if you guys want to as well. So I'll probably leave it for 2 minutes and then come back and check on it. Alright, so it's been around 2 minutes. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys rinse it for 2 minutes, you guys want to rinse everything else. Once you guys finish rinsing everything, then start using it. So you guys want to put this inside right here. And then put this inside right here. And you want to put the top layer on top. But obviously before you guys do all of this, you need to put the water inside first. Alright, so somewhere around there should be fine. So let's close it back up. Alright, so if you guys flip it upside down, you can definitely see how the product is leak proof. So once you flip it upside down, you can definitely see that there's no water coming out. So the product is definitely leak proof like it mentions. So basically right now you guys have the water mode open. But if you guys want to lock it, you guys want to push it this way. And now you guys can't press it. But once you guys push it this way, you guys can see the water starts to come out. So basically it's filtering the water inside and it comes out clean like right here, which is pretty awesome. But then I should go test this out and see how it works with a pet. Alright, so we got the product right here. Let's test it out. So we want to push this button right here to release the water out. You guys can see the water is coming out right there. So once you guys got enough water, you can let go and start feeding it. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work. And it works for both big dogs or small dogs. Alright, so you see that works for both big dogs and small dogs, and it's super compact and portable, so you can bring this when you guys are traveling or when you guys are hiking. Alright, welcome back guys. If you haven't seen the video, it actually works really well and super easy to set it up. You basically want to rinse out the filter and everything to make sure it's clean before you guys use the product, especially if it's your first time using it, and also if you guys are changing the filter as well. And then the way how to use the product is actually pretty easy as well. You just have to open up the switch to actually use it. If you guys want to close it, just pull the switch back and actually locks it back in place, and you can see from the actual test it is leak proof as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it actually work or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a pet and you guys travel a lot, or if you guys go hiking a lot, or if you just go outdoor a lot with your pet, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.